Hey guys, it's handcrafted by Jason Cooper, and I have a new piece of equipment that I want to share with you. It's been something that has been perfect for my situation, and I think a lot of you will appreciate it as well. As you can see, I've got a garage shop. Got quite a bit of space when the cars are out, but I've got to have stuff that's mobile that I can move in and out. I can't set everything up permanently where I want it to be. For a long time, I've wanted to build a big outfeed support table and work table for my table saw, and I just can't do it because I can't put it in a place where it can just stay there and easily move in and out of the way. So I found something. I've used rigged stuff up before, tables, and I've got a couple of those roller outfeed supports, but I found something new that is perfect for the job. It's sufficient for when I need it, and it folds up compactly and gets out of the way when I don't. Let me show you. All right, here it is. This is the Bora Portamate conveyor roller, and it's perfect for outfeed support. It's about, I don't remember, 15 to 18 inches wide. It expands to about 50 inches long, and it's on rollers. On casters on wheels. But look, you can fold this thing up to a small little compact thing, roll it into corner, get it out of the way. When you need it, you just bring it back, put it in place, expand it out. Sorry, I got the camera dropping on me. Ooh, there we go. Expand it out, and you're good to go. Got your locking casters, so once you got it in position, you can lock those in. And it actually will bend as well. Let's see if I can make it do it. It's gonna make me a liar. Yeah, I don't know why you'd ever want that as a woodworker, but lining up straight as outfeed support works great. I just ran all of these sheets through there, and it was perfect. Let me show you a little clip of that. So that was this thing in use. And there's one more thing I forgot to tell you about this. It does have adjustable legs. So all four legs have a screw knob, as you can see there, and you can adjust them. There's actually some measurements on here, so you can get them all the same height when you do, and get it up to where it just runs right off your table saw onto these rollers. And it's perfect. So a full 4x8 sheet you saw me running through there. Lengthwise, you get it out on this, and it's actually gonna lay flat and stay there and not tip, because this is wide enough at about 50 inches that you've got more of the material on the rollers than off, and you can shut off your saw and go take care of it and not have to worry about it tipping off. It's great. So if you're like me and you're in your garage and you don't have the space to put up a permanent outfeed station with your table saw, get yourself one of these, and you won't be disappointed. It's perfect for the situation, stores out of the way when you don't need it, and gives you all the support you need when you do. I'll drop a link for this down below. You can get it on Amazon. It's a couple $100 or so. Price may change from time to time. I don't know who sets those. But if you're interested, click on the link and you can get one for yourself. Again, it's the Bora Portamate conveyor roller. Thanks for watching.